Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Here you can see a bird is taking a bag of polythene away from Masjid al-Haram in Saudi Arabia. Masjids should be the most cleanest area where people will go to pray, where people will do ibadah, where people will call Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whenever you see any sort of plastic bags or darts there in the masjid, try to clean it up. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you. Sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shows it with the animals, with the birds, with the creatures. Allah teaches the human being lessons. We are sometimes so negligible that we don't take things in heed. Don't underestimate any good deed. Any little good deed that you do, Allah might forgive your sins and Allah might give you Jannah. Every little good deed is an opportunity for you. No matter whether it's in a masjid or whether it's on the road, even if you remove something harmful from the road, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive your sins. May Allah give us the ability to be the kind human being, to be the generous human being, to be the nice human being. And let's try to be a better person every day. Let's try to do as many good deeds possible on a daily basis.